Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
Say goodbye to cough, phlegm, flu, and clean the lungs forever with this old remedy. If you often deal with a persistent cough and flu, you probably know that the medicines prescribed can only help temporarily. So, if you want to solve the issue once and for all, you should try a natural alternative. Hence, one of the most powerful and effective natural ingredients are carrots. The carrots are extremely healthy and packed with nutrients. They are a great source of vitamins such as vitamin A and B6 and beta-carotene. Moreover, they provide a wide range of health benefits. For instance, carrots can lower the bad cholesterol levels, improve the eye health, and due to the carotene antioxidants, carrots can reduce the risk of cancer. What's more, carrots are also incredibly effective at clearing phlegm from your lungs. Due to the amount of vitamin A in carrots will help strengthen the immune system, reduce the symptoms of respiratory problems, especially asthma. Hence, all this makes carrots a great remedy for respiratory issues and for boosting the immune system. Additionally, when combined with honey, the benefits are even maximized. Honey is considered to be a miracle food. It is rich in calcium, copper, iron, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, potassium, sodium and zinc. It has the ability to reduce coughing and reduce the symptoms of respiratory illnesses. Hence, we decided to present you a remedy, which will treat all of the above-mentioned issues. You will forget about a cough and flu. Homemade cough syrup. Ingredients: 1/2 kilogram of carrot, 3/4 spoons of honey, water. Instructions: first, cut the carrots into small pieces and place them in a pot. Then, fill the pot with water until the carrots are submerged. You should boil the carrots until they soften. Then, remove them from the pot, and add them in a blender. Also, add the leftover water and the honey and blend well. You should consume 3 tablespoons daily. You should experience significant improvements within 2 days.